Well, the federal New Democrats are jump-starting their fall election campaign. They released a detailed party platform some 4 months before the vote itself. The platform is an ambitious, expensive package, one that promises much expanded coverage of health care, including prescription drugs, funding for eye care, mental health care, hearing care, and dental care. The platform was released this morning in Hamilton, Ontario. And for details, let's turn to our Hannah Thibodeau.
So here it is. This is the NDP's official election platform. There aren't all of the details in this, including costing. That'll come a bit later. However, there are some big ticket items that they're promising. And remember, we are 4 months out from an official election campaign. They want to get this out early. They want their candidates going out in the summertime and pitching what they have in this booklet. Now, some of the big things in it. The first thing is the NDP are promising that if they are elected in the fall, that they will implement a national single-payer pharmacare system by 2020. And the cost of that is $10 billion. But not only that, when it comes to the healthcare system, they are going to expand it dramatically, and they plan to do that within 10 years. Here's what Jagmeet Singh had to say.
Millions of Canadians are worried about being able to access the medication they need. In fact, people are living with pain because they can't afford to see a dentist. Families go to the eye doctor, and they're hoping against hope that the prescription hasn't changed because they can't afford a new set of eyeglasses. People are looking for help when it comes to depression, and they come up empty when they are most vulnerable in their lives. Friends, we have a crisis in healthcare, and it's time that changed.
So that big promise still isn't costed as of yet, but there are a lot of other things that they promise to do if they're elected in the fall. One of the things is they will reinstate the door-to-door delivery of mail, and that would cost about $100 million. Also, the NDP would promise to increase federal minimum wage to $15, and they plan on banning single-use plastics by 2021. When it comes to paying for all of these promises, the NDP say that hasn't been fully costed as of yet, but they will increase taxes to the most wealthy in Canada, including increasing corporate tax rate from 33% to 35%. Those who earn $210,000 or more will have their taxes increased from 33% to 35%. And they also have a wealth tax, and that will be 1% on people who have a net income and net assets of $20 million. When it comes to balancing the books, the NDP say they have no plan for doing that at this time, and they say that the fully costed platform will go through the parliamentary budget officer, and he will make those numbers available before the election campaign.